In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. This process is essential if you're setting up a new workspace for your team, or if you're managing multiple accounts and need to ensure email functionality is fully operational. Activating Gmail in your Google Workspace will provide you with the powerful email management, communication, and collaboration tools that Google is renowned for. Let's dive right into the steps. To begin, you'll start at your Google Workspace dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all the applications and services available to you and your team within Workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section. You should see this option readily available, as it's where you'll manage and configure your various Google services. After clicking on Apps, you'll be presented with a list of applications included in your Workspace package. What we're interested in today is Gmail, so go ahead and select that under the Google Workspace options. Once you've clicked on Gmail, the next step is to check the service status. This is crucial because it will determine whether your Gmail service is active and ready to use. The service status is a straightforward indicator, so once you've located this section, make sure that it's switched to On. If it isn't, simply toggle it to activate Gmail for your domain. Turning Gmail on here ensures that everyone in your workspace can send and receive emails without any hassle. It's worth mentioning that activating Gmail through the Google Workspace dashboard is not just about flipping a switch. You are setting up a robust tool that integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Calendar, Docs, and Drive. This connectivity enhances productivity and communication across your team. It also warrants mentioning that if any issues arise when switching the service on, such as permission errors or account restrictions, you may need to reach out to your administrator or consult Google's support resources for further assistance. To summarize, activating Gmail in your Google Workspace involves a simple yet crucial process of checking your apps within the dashboard and ensuring the Gmail service is toggled on. With this done, your team is empowered with one of the most versatile email and productivity tools available today. This small setup step lays the foundation for streamlined communication and offers a gateway to the multitude of integration options and features that Google Workspace provides. Once activated, you can enjoy the full spectrum of Gmail's functionalities, facilitating a more efficient and interconnected workflow for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, feel free to explore more of our content to optimize your Google Workspace experience.